Hi, I'm Chris McKenna from Protect Young Eyes, and in partnership with Worksighted, we want to bring you a series of short, helpful videos so that you can protect your family from online danger. So, let's jump right in. As we present to parents all over the country, a statement that we make goes like this, that porn is the norm. It's a sad reality with the online environments where our kids spend time, that they are almost always just a few clicks away from extremely inappropriate content. Every year, the largest pornographic website on the World Wide Web, they advertise the types and quantities of pornography that are used from year to year. For the year 2017, they reported that over 68 years worth of pornography were uploaded to their one website for 1 year. They also reported that over 3,700 petabytes of bandwidth was consumed on this one website for 1 year. Now, we don't often talk about our devices in terms of memory and petabytes, and that's because, friends, 1 petabyte is the equivalent of 1 million gigabytes. Therefore, it is our opinion that no child should ever use the internet in an unfiltered state. Parents, we have an opportunity that in every digital environment that our kids are spending time, it must be filtered and it must be monitored. I hope that this information is helpful for you. Please visit protectyoungeyes.com where you can read our blog, you can register for our bi-weekly parent newsletter. You can also find us on Facebook where we're constantly providing the most up-to-date information for parents. Thank you so much for watching this video. Protect Young Eyes in partnership with Worksighted. Wish you the very best as you take steps to protect your family today.